So hi hello friends, hope you all are good. So today we come with again with something like concave layers. My client was having something it's fine and dull hair. So in that hair she wants something it's save the length, and apart from the length she wants something bouncy look and which is can look so volume in the hair. So finally I come to suggest for a concave layer which is can just suit maintain the length as well and add more layers. It will be so look so unique, and because the face shape is something it's oval, so according to that I'm just suggested for a concave layers, one of the best options for the natural to wavy hair texture. And the texture also, remember guys, this is haircuts only for suggest for natural to wavy texture, either straight hair, not for a curly hair for this haircut. So the crown section is separated for the box section, and just side section we're just going to be take for it, and another side we can just going to take with one more section. So the previous videos was something is different, and that haircut was showed by the multiple layers, and this haircut it will be going to show you concave layers, and both are it will be different, and that length part will be different and this length part will be different. Wants to be create something multiple layers and it will be uniform layer she expected, and all the section was taken by, and now we're just coming back to the one length basic first, and we can just see the started from the one length. So my one length is going to be finished with cross checking, and now we start to the layering, and just take to the center profile. And I just pick them up slightly and just carrying the one length from the back, and rest of the hair going to be add the layers. One more time you can just see the same length, we just adding the layers rest of the hair. And another section we just took, and just be following the stationary guideline, and rest of the hair going to be chopped. And one more section we just took and add the layers, and another side we just came the same stationary guideline I took, and rest of the hair going to be add the layers. Adding the layers with rest of the hair, and just saving the length as well, because her concern it will be save the length, and apart from the length she wants the layers. So we come to the side part now, and just giving to the one length. And now we come to add the layers. We will pick to the stationary guideline, and rest of the hair is going to be chopped. And last more section. So another side we just came, and just same thing we're going to follow up. Just give one length basic first. And now we started from the adding the layers. So this is the main things which you can just be using with the consistently with a different part to the adding the layers. and we come to crown portion. Sides all are finished. Now we just take from the center profile section and add to the layers. So that is the center profile, and we pick from the back crown portion from the guideline, and rest of the hair going to be add the layers. So another side we just going to be take a section and just adding the layers, and just be following the stationary guideline, and rest of the hair going to be chopped. So my complete cut was finished. I'm just cross checking. Just be blowing up messy blow dry. So you can just see in the messy blow dry itself, you can just add a lot more layers. You can just see from the back side, and I was just showing with a messy blow dry for towards 2 before styling to the any of hair, before after cut the hair, and how it will be going to fall after hair wash also, just explaining to my client. Then later on I'm just going to be start the blow dry properly. So hope you all are understand this video, and if you have any doubts, please do comments below. I'll definitely update for you guys, and I'm really happy with just gathering with new people for as members, like family members, for gaining good knowledge, and I'm really happy with that. Thank you for support, you guys. I'm bringing back with some more upgrade with the haircuts and the styling parts as very soon. Now we start the blow dry. One more section we're just going to be take. So we're just giving spiral blow dry overall. Now finish our cut. So from the back we've done the blow dry properly with spiral, and now we come to side. The blow dry witches can make completely shape in and out and just complete to the haircut transformation purpose. We just do it proper blow dry witches can make bouncy look and just shinier look as well. You can just see completely to the blow dry from the side section. And now we come to another side. So in this case, do you have any of doubts or questions? Please comment below in the section. We'll definitely will update for you guys. So crown section is going to finish, and last one more section got left, and complete my styling part is going to finish now. Now we finished to complete the cut. You can just see the shaking up to the natural blow dry. Hope you guys all understand this video. If you have any doubts, please comment below. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends. We'll be meet up to the next video. Until, take care, be safe.